Hello friends, subscribe my channel and press on bell icon. Thank you. Get ready for dictation. Start. In Raja Ram versus the State of Rajasthan reported in 2005, the Honorable Supreme Court said that if a prosecution witness is not declared hostile by the prosecution, Patna High Court Criminal Appeal Number 106 of 2016 dated 15/9/2021, the defense can rely upon the evidence of such witness and it would be binding on the prosecution. Stop. The same view was reiterated in Mukhtar Ahmad Ansari versus the State NCT of Delhi reported in 2005. Stop. Para would show that the seizure was made on 17/6/2012 at 16 hours and production was made at Bhilai OP campus. Stop. 6 bundles containing total weight of 96 kg. Stop. Nepali ganja are said to be the seized item. Stop. This production cum seizure list does not bear signature of the appellants or any witness. Stop. A proforma for seizure memo was also prepared, which is extension 1. Stop. This proforma does not contain the number of bundles seized. Stop. Only total weight of 96 kg is mentioned besides cost of the ganja. Stop. The aforesaid infirmity in the prosecution evidence goes to the root of the prosecution case. Stop. Para. The law is well settled that total non-compliance of the mandates of NDPS Act would be fatal for the prosecution case. Rather, delayed compliance and substantial compliance would not affect the trustworthiness, coupled with other facts and circumstances of this case. Stop. Para. In the case on hand, the search was made on a public place and seizure and arrest was also affected at the Patna High Court Criminal Appeal Number 106 of 2016 dated 15/9/2021, public place. Stop. Hence, the requirement of Section 43 of the NDPS Act was to be followed. Stop. Since the case of the prosecution is that the accused persons had thrown the bundles on their head and they were apprehended soon along with the recovery of thrown bundles. It is a case of recovery from possession of a person. Stop. Hence, it cannot be argued that the mandate of the NDPS Act contained in sections 43 and 50 was not required to be followed. Stop. There is total lack of evidence that the appellants were informed of their right to be searched in presence of the magistrate, nor the informant or anyone attempted to take services of the magistrate either at the spot or at the police station where they took the appellants along with the seized narcotics before opening its seal. Stop. Para. The Honorable Supreme Court said that the requirement on the part of the officer conducting the search to inform the accused of his right to choose to be searched in the presence of a gazetted officer or a magistrate is mandatory. Stop. The prosecution must prove that the accused was made aware of his right, but he did not choose to be searched before a gazetted officer or a magistrate. Stop.